Are you a gym buff? Eco warrior? Busy bee? Fussy foodie? Savvy investor? Or an average Joe? Listen up, this one's for you. Introducing Planty. Flash frozen, chef prepared meals delivered straight to your door.
Made 100% from, you guessed it, plants.
So why plants? Well, unless you've been living under a rock, you know that animal agriculture is bad news for the planet. Like, second highest source of emissions kind of bad.
But enough of that. We get it, making the switch is hard. That's why we set out to make our meals as convenient, exciting, and tasty as possible. And here's how we do it.
First up is our website, where you can choose one-off delivery or a flexible subscription, and then handpick your preferred meals from our super tasty menu.
With my background in Michelin-star restaurants, my job is to bring restaurant-quality deliciousness to your door by sourcing only the freshest, highest quality, and often locally sourced ingredients.
We flash freeze all our meals in our state-of-the-art super kitchen to lock in nutrients, flavours, and all that good stuff.
After a carbon-neutral delivery to your doorstep, all you have to do is put your meal into the microwave or the oven, put the packaging into the recycling, and put your feet up. You'll have a super tasty meal ready in minutes.
And we don't stop there. Behind the scenes, we're working towards our B Corp status, and we're registered as a social venture, which legally binds us to our environmental and social commitments, such as our charity partnerships with Feeding Britain and Food Cycle.
It's no wonder people love us. We've had hundreds of 5-star reviews and heaps of press. Men's Fitness magazine even elected us the best vegan delivery service in the UK.
The main things that drew me to Planty was the range of meals that they had, also that they worked with nutritionists. Having Planty meals in the freezer that I can kind of just grab, reach out to, or have some in the fridge has been really good.
As a nutritionist, I'm always excited when I see companies like Planty being so transparent about what's in their meals and nutritional information. I think as consumers, we need to be discerning and ask the right questions, and it's great to see companies like Planty being part of this shift.
I would say the main reason that Venture Capital invested in Planty is because we're big fans of the food, and this is just a great sector to be in. Direct to consumer is really taking off now, and it's an unstoppable train. The plant-based movement is going in the right direction. I just think that the team that we backed, and you have the opportunity of backing as well, is ready to really scale this business.
Demand for Planty is skyrocketing. We're now producing almost 10,000 meals a month and counting, with a revenue increase of 800% in just the last 8 months, with no signs of slowing.
In fact, our customers are demanding more from us, more meals, more deliveries, but we can't do this alone. We need passionate and ambitious investors to join us and help us grow.
We have huge plans in the works, including new meals, new hires, new kitchens, new countries, and even new verticals, so people can enjoy the Planty life from breakfast to dinner and dessert.
And this is your chance to own part of all of that.
Right, let's recap. Nutrient dense and high in protein, 100% sustainable, ready in minutes, finest ingredients, flavour and texture. A plant-based market estimated to be worth 74.2 billion by 2027. And it's not just for vegans.
Join us.
Yeah, what he said.